Credit repair is about taking control of your financial health. It's a process that involves understanding your credit report, identifying errors, and taking steps to correct them. This journey can be daunting, but it's essential for achieving financial stability and peace of mind. It's about fixing past mistakes with your credit, whether it's late payments, defaults, or other negative marks. Addressing these issues head-on is crucial. By doing so, you can improve your credit score and open up new financial opportunities. You can build a brighter financial future. Imagine the freedom of having a good credit score, lower interest rates, better loan terms, and the ability to make significant purchases with confidence. It's all within your reach. It's not a quick fix. Credit repair requires patience and persistence. It involves regularly monitoring your credit report, disputing inaccuracies, and making consistent on-time payments. Over time, these efforts will pay off. Credit repair takes time and effort, but it's worth it. The sense of accomplishment you'll feel when you see your credit score improve is unparalleled. It's a testament to your hard work and dedication. Credit repair is like fixing a broken leg. Just as you wouldn't expect a broken bone to heal overnight, you can't expect your credit to improve instantly. It requires a plan, consistent effort, and sometimes professional help. You need a plan to heal. Setting clear, achievable goals is essential. Whether it's paying off a specific debt, saving a certain amount each month, or simply staying on top of your bills, having a plan will guide you on your credit repair journey. You need to be patient. Credit repair is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires a calm, steady approach. Celebrate small victories along the way, and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Every step forward is progress. Over time, you will see progress. Just like a plant growing or a house being built, your credit will improve gradually. Each positive action you take contributes to a stronger financial foundation. You'll come out stronger on the other side. The journey of credit repair will not only improve your financial health, but also build your resilience and financial literacy. You'll be better equipped to handle future financial challenges. Credit repair is not about tricks or shortcuts. It's about being responsible. It's about understanding your financial habits, making necessary changes, and committing to a healthier financial lifestyle. It's about making smart choices with your money. From budgeting effectively to avoiding unnecessary debt, every decision you make impacts your credit. Being mindful of your spending and saving habits is key. It's about building a solid foundation for your financial future. A good credit score is just the beginning. It's a stepping stone to greater financial security and the ability to achieve your long-term goals. Remember, you are in control of your credit. Your actions today will shape your financial tomorrow. Take charge, stay informed, and be proactive in managing your credit. You have the power to change your financial future. Every positive step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Believe in yourself and your ability to make a difference. Take charge today and start repairing your credit. The journey may be long, but the rewards are worth it. Begin now and watch your financial health transform. A good credit score opens doors. It's like having a golden key that can unlock numerous opportunities in your financial life. Whether you're looking to buy a home, finance a car, or even start a business, a good credit score is essential. It's not just about numbers. It's about trust and reliability. It shows lenders you're trustworthy. When lenders see a high credit score, they know you're likely to repay your debts on time. This trust can make a significant difference in the terms and conditions of the loans you receive. A good score helps you get better interest rates on loans. Lower interest rates mean lower monthly payments and less money spent on interest over the life of the loan. This can save you thousands of dollars in the long run. This means you save money over time. Imagine being able to put those savings towards other financial goals, like building an emergency fund, investing in your future, or even taking that dream vacation. Want to buy a car? A good credit score can make this process much smoother. A good credit score can get you a lower monthly payment. This means you can afford a better car or save money on your monthly budget. Looking to rent an apartment? Landlords often check credit scores to ensure tenants can pay rent on time. A good score can help you secure the place you want. It can give you an edge over other applicants and make the rental process less stressful. A good credit score gives you peace of mind. Knowing that you have a strong financial foundation can reduce stress and allow you to focus on other important aspects of your life. It means you're prepared for emergencies. Need a loan quickly? In times of unexpected financial need, a good credit score can be your safety net. A good score makes the process smoother and faster. You can get the funds you need without unnecessary delays, helping you manage emergencies more effectively. Remember, a good credit score is an investment in your future. It's not just about immediate benefits, but also about long-term financial health and stability. It gives you financial freedom and opens up a world of possibilities. With a good credit score, you can achieve your dreams and live the life you've always wanted. The first step to repair is knowing where you stand. You can get a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus annually. These are Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Review your credit report carefully. Look for any errors or inaccuracies. Check for accounts you don't recognize. Report any suspicious activity immediately. Common errors include incorrect personal information or account balances. Make sure your name, address, and social security number are correct. Checking your credit report regularly helps you stay on top of your finances. It allows you to catch and address any issues early on. Disputing errors on your credit report is crucial. Contact the credit bureau directly to dispute any inaccuracies. Provide supporting documentation to back up your claim. Be persistent and follow up on your disputes regularly. Keep records of all communication with the credit bureaus. This will help you track progress and ensure a resolution. Disputing errors can potentially improve your credit score. Removing inaccurate negative information can have a positive impact. Remember, you have the right to dispute any inaccurate information on your credit report. Don't hesitate to exercise this right and fight for your financial well-being. Section 5, Step 3, Building Trust, Pay your bills on time. Paying your bills on time is essential for building good credit. Set up reminders or automatic payments to avoid late fees. Late payments can negatively impact your credit score. Prioritize your bills and create a budget to manage your finances effectively. Allocate funds for essential bills like rent, utilities, and credit card payments. Contact your creditors immediately if you're facing financial difficulties. They may offer hardship programs or payment arrangements to help you stay on track. Remember, consistent on-time payments demonstrate financial responsibility and help you establish a positive credit history. Section 6. Step 4. Lighten your load, reduce your debt. Reducing your debt is one of the most impactful steps you can take towards financial freedom. It not only helps you manage your finances better, but also significantly improves your credit score. Reducing your debt is crucial for improving your credit utilization ratio. This ratio is a key factor in determining your credit score and reflects how much of your available credit you are using at any given time. This ratio compares your credit card balances to your credit limits. A high credit utilization ratio can negatively impact your credit score, making it harder to get loans or credit in the future. A lower ratio is better for your credit score. Ideally, you should aim to keep your credit utilization ratio below 30%. This shows lenders that you are responsible with your credit and can manage your debt effectively. Create a debt repayment plan, such as the snowball or avalanche method. The snowball method involves paying off your smallest debts first, while the avalanche method focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. Focus on paying down high-interest debt first to save money on interest charges. High-interest debts can quickly accumulate and become overwhelming, so tackling them first can provide immediate financial relief. Consider debt consolidation options, like a personal loan or balance transfer credit card. These options can help you combine multiple debts into a single payment, often with a lower interest rate. These options can simplify your payments and potentially lower your interest rates. By consolidating your debt, you can make your financial obligations more manageable and reduce the risk of missing payments. Remember, reducing your debt not only improves your credit score, but also frees up your finances and reduces financial stress. By taking control of your debt, you can achieve greater financial stability and peace of mind, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your life. Section 7. Step 5. History matters. Don't close old accounts. Closing old credit card accounts can shorten your credit history. A longer credit history is generally better for your credit score. It shows lenders you have experience managing credit. Keep old accounts open even if you don't use them frequently. Consider making small purchases occasionally and paying them off in full to keep the accounts active. Closing old accounts can also increase your credit utilization ratio. This is because your available credit decreases when you close an account. Remember, maintaining old accounts helps preserve your credit history and can contribute to a higher credit score over time. Section 8, Step 6, A Stepping Stone, Secured Credit Cards. A secured credit card can be a useful tool for rebuilding credit. These cards require a security deposit, which typically becomes your credit limit. Use a secured card responsibly by making small purchases and paying your balance in full each month. This demonstrates responsible credit behavior to lenders. Gradually build a positive payment history with a secured card. Over time, you may be eligible to upgrade to an unsecured card with better terms and benefits. Remember, a secured credit card can provide a stepping stone to access credit and establish a positive credit history. Section 9. Reaping the rewards. Long-term benefits of good credit. Maintaining good credit offers numerous long-term benefits. It can help you secure lower interest rates on mortgages, auto loans, and other types of credit. Good credit can make it easier to rent an apartment or get approved for insurance. Landlords and insurance companies often use credit scores to assess risk. A strong credit history demonstrates financial responsibility. It can open doors to better job opportunities and financial freedom. Remember, good credit is a valuable asset that can positively impact various aspects of your life. By following these tips, you can build a brighter financial future for yourself.